When you have more than two decimal numbers that you're working with, you want to handle two at a time. So I always do work on these vertically. So I'm going to do the first two. I'm going to write down the 57.26. I'm going to cross them off as I go. Okay, 3.8. So when I write this one down, you write the decimal first and then write down the numbers next to it. A 3 in front and an 8 behind. You always want to write the decimal first to keep them lined up. Now any holes get zeros. Okay, I'm going to figure that out before I do anything else. So I'm going to subtract because it says subtraction there. Bring down the decimal point and start subtracting. 6 take away 0 is 6. You can't do 2 take away 8, so you have to borrow 1 from the 7, call it a 6. Bring the 1 over. 12 take away 8 is 4. 6 take away 3 is 3. 5 take away 0 is 5. Now you have to subtract 2. Well, notice this 2 does not have a decimal point, so if you put a decimal point, it would be 2.0. So let's go ahead and write that. You have to write your decimal first, and then the 2 and the 0 next to it. Any other holes or spaces get zeros to them. And then this one is a subtraction problem again. Bring down your decimal. Decimals come first. 6 take away 0 is 6. 4 take away 0 is 4. 3 take away 2 is 1. 5 take away 0 is 5. So that's how you do it. You have to do two decimals at a time. So 57.94. Write down your decimal before you even look at the other number. Now this next number has a 2 and a 6 next to the decimal. And this other 2 behind the 6, go ahead and write it down now. Now that's it for that number. However, any holes in this problem get zeros. We're going to subtract. Bring down your decimal. Decimals come first. 4 take away 2 is 2. 9 take away 6 is 3. 7 take away 2 is 5. 5 take away 0 is 5. Now, this 8 is like an 8.0. You want to make it have a decimal. So you write down the decimal first. You put the 8 and the 0 beside it. Any holes get filled in with zeros. And this is a plus sign. So we're going to add these. Bring down your decimal first. We're going to add 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write down the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 plus 0 is 6. So 63.32. Two numbers at a time, starting with the first one, 27.64. That's the first one that you write down normally. The rest of them, you have to do the decimals first. So decimal first. The 3 and the 2 are next to that. The 1 is after the 2. Fill in any empty spaces with zeros. This one is a subtraction. Decimals first and subtract. 4 take away 1 is 3. 6 take away 2 is 4. 7 take away 3 is 4. 2 take away 0 is 2. This 9, you have to make it have a decimal by putting 0.0. So 9.0, decimals first. Fill in the holes with zeros. We are adding here. Bring down the decimals first. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Write the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3.